So, Don, who are you exactly? Oh, I'm one of Dilo's friends. Oh, how long have you known each other?
Happy 4th of July, everyone!
Oh, hi, Dilo. Whoa, where did you get that sparkler?
Oh, I got this thing from Walmart. I got a bunch of fireworks over there as well. And we're gonna light them whenever it gets a little bit darker.
Well, can you at the very least stand a little bit further away from the fireworks when you're handling that?
Yeah, sorry, hold on, let me finish enjoying this thing.
Okay, the thing is almost over, and,
Oh boy, this is gonna be pretty boring to watch. But, Alright, it's almost done. It's almost done. And, I think it is... Yeah, I think it's done for.
well, I am not gonna lie, that was incredibly underwhelming. What'd you expect it to do? Give out a little giant explosion? Yeah, and I got a little 5-pack over here, so who wants some sparklers? Ooh, I'll take a green one.
Dilo, I don't think my sparkler's working.
Oh, just keep holding the light over it. I think it takes ages. I don't know why.
Alright, Dilo, I got a little sparkler action going on here, and yeah, you are right. This is hella disappointing.
Yeah, just remember not to set it down near any of the shrubbery or any other plant life.
Well, I'm not just gonna set it down, Dilo. I'm not a clown.
Jack, I would recommend holding the thing like further away from your body.
Oh, yeah, right. Hold on. Let me readjust myself. Alright, I'm back to enjoying this thing a little bit more. And, yeah. Oh boy. This is indeed disappointing as hell.
Trust me, Jack, it only gets worse.
Worse? How does this possibly get worse?
It really doesn't. It's just that it starts emitting these smoke fumes, and I can't inhale that stuff.
Up. Hold on. That was it? How much did this thing cost?
I don't actually know. Anyways, who wants one? Can I have one?
Yeah, sure, Stego. Just grab which one you want.
I think I'm gonna go with the pink one, and I'm just gonna... Yeah, I'm gonna take this, and... Wait, hang on a moment. Where are you going? Alright, I'll be back. Whoa, Stego. You can't dig it in. You can't shove it in. Where'd the lighter go? Fire. Okay. Fire. Ooh, little something. Stego! Stop! I'm trying, okay? Ow, it's hot. Ow, it's hot. Wait, hang on a moment. He's not really doing... Oh, God. Come on, light up. Well, Dilo said it would take a while, so I'm just gonna wait. Dilo, I think mine is dead. It's not activating in any way. Just a few more seconds of light? Maybe? Come on, where is it? And, come on. Man, I think it's dead. Stego, I'm pretty sure it's not dead. I'm pretty sure you just need to light it more. Don't encourage him, Jack! Oh, I got it. Alright, let's just activate this, and let's just keep burning. Burning, and burning, and burning, until we get a little flame. And, no? Okay. I'm gonna do it a little bit down here so that you can get some traction. And, Why does it take so long for these things? Yeah, screw this. Alright, we're not messing with any more of the spring sparklers because Stego's decided to be stupid today. Does that mean no fireworks? We're still going to be doing the fireworks, but, for one, it's not dark enough yet, and second of all, you're not lighting them. Just not at all. No. No way in hell I'm going to let you light any of these. Aww. Dilo, I think mine spontaneously combusted. What do you mean yours got spontaneously? What the? Did I do bad? Stego, this is very bad. Although, it doesn't really look like it'll do anything. Let's just wait for it to go out. The sparkle. Come on, Stego! Okay, so what the hell happened? Well, Stego's sparkler had spontaneously combusted, and I don't know what the heck is going on. That is odd. By the way, what fireworks did you get? Alright, let's see. So, first off, I got this. Come on. I got this multi-pack. Which, come on. Okay, I'm just gonna wait for that. Okay, I got this multi-pack, which has a bunch of fireworks in it, as previously implied. Magic black snakes? Can I light one of these? Sure, if there's 4 of them in there, then, well, we can do it. That means I can do it? If you can remember not to be stupid with it. What are half of these? You know, honestly, I don't know, really. Alright, let's dig it up. Oh, shouldn't be dropping that. I also got the 3 amigos, although it has an E in it instead of an A, which that's not how you spell amigo. Well, I think maybe it is supposed to represent the 3 amigos, but there's emojis on it, so instead it's the 3 amigos, which I guess putting an E in front of amigos is just, yeah, it's not the best name. Oh, this! Peep the firework named Finn. What does this one do? You know, I don't actually know. So we're going to do this one last, because this one I wanted the most. Huh, so when are we going to be lighting these? I want to say around 8 o'clock, just so that way it gets dark enough so that way we can see them and not light enough so that way we can't see them. You get what I'm saying? Alright, so just let us know and we'll just be sleeping, I guess. Okay. Alright, let's get napping. Wait, guys, should we light one of those magic snakes first? Yeah, let's all light one. Hold on, I'm gonna go first. So, it's pretty sooty. Let's see how this goes. And what the fuck is this? Oh no, hold on. We're getting some results here. That's fucking wicked. Alright, your turn, Jack. Alrighty. Let's see if we get a snake or a pile of shit. Let's see. Careful, Jack. Ow! Jesus. Yeah, maybe, like, hold it away from your body. Alright, fine. I'll hold on. So when does it work? It should be there in about, like, a few seconds. What the... Hold on. I think I may have just killed this. Aw, man. That one's a dud. Well, we got an extra one, so, why not? Okay, so... Oh, I'm getting a little mini snake. Oh, there's a snake. Well done! Oh, sorry. Jack! Oh. damn, why is this growing so long? Holy shit. How did yours manage to grow that much? Must have been the spark of life, yo. Alright, let's actually wait until it's time for until it gets darker. And no magic snake for me? No. Okay, whatever Dilo says. Okay, and we... Let's see what happens. Is that supposed to happen?
Yeah, that was okay, I guess, just like the other one.
Alrighty, and now let's light this. And... Oh boy. Are you kidding me? That was literally just the same.
Alright, Don, light the 3 thicker fireworks, and Jack, you light the thinner one, and I'll light the 2 big ones.
Alright, whatever you say, Dilo.
Alright, now let's go with this one. Come on. Light up now. Oh.
What? Are you kidding me?
What?
What the actual fuck was that?
Try removing some of the plastic off the other ones to see if that works. Alright, let's see if you're a bigger letdown than before. Oh. Alright. Oh. Oh, crap. That one was actually pretty good. Do the other one.
Alright, bitch. Let's see what you got.
Hmm. Huh. That was cool. Alright, Jack, it's time to light the smaller one.
Alright, remember to always keep it far.
Oh. Alright. Let's see what happens. Ooh. Steer clear, Dilo. This might get crazy. Oh, never mind. It's good.
My turn.
Alright, let's see what the 3 amigos got. Alright. And, oh. Oh, shoot. Ooh, 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 ooh. Whoa. Alright, I'm gonna check on everyone.
Yeah, Dilo, we're fine.
It's just all the smoke. Alright, now I may have arguably saved the best for last, and let's see what this one has in store for us. Let me just readjust my head and get to lighting. Oh, let's see this. Ooh, Alright, I think that fishy's done for now. Damn, that was actually pretty sick. But can we really, like, go back inside now and clean this up? Because I'm tired of inhaling smoke. Yeah, let's get back inside and let's clean all this up. Well, guys, I gotta say, that was actually a pretty cool experience. What do you guys say?
Yeah, to be fair, that was actually pretty cool. Especially the fish one. I think we may have accidentally sat a bit too close to the fireworks. Because some of them almost ended up hitting our faces.
Yeah, fair. I'm sorry, guys.
Hey, Dilo, what are you up to? Oh, nothing much, sweetie. Just, well, we just lit some fireworks. I'm sorry that I didn't tell you. Oh, it's fine. Do you still got the magic snakes saved up, though?
Oh, yeah, of course, Blue. I got like 3 boxes of them.
Alright, cool. Let's light up magic snakes later. See you later, sweetie. Oh, sorry. Couldn't leave your lips alone.
Dilo, is that your girlfriend?
Yep, Jack. That is indeed my girl. We'd actually been together for a couple months.
Wait, what? How did you manage to hide it from us so well?
Well, to be fair, you never asked if I ever had a girlfriend or not, but now I do, so, yay. I'll introduce it to you guys more thoroughly later. The kissing was very awkward, if I do say so myself.
Shut up, Stego. You have no right to talk.